Do you know the common mistakes people make after their workout? It's easy to overlook the importance of what we do post-workout, but it's just as crucial as the workout itself. The actions we take, or neglect to take, can significantly impact our results and overall health. They might slow our progress, lead to unnecessary discomfort, or even cause injuries. Understanding these common post-workout blunders is the first step towards a more effective fitness journey. Stay tuned as we delve into these mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's kickstart with the most common post-workout mistakes. First up, neglecting hydration. After a sweat-drenched workout, it's easy to forget that your body has been robbed of essential fluids. But when you skip the water bottle, you're denying your body the hydration it needs to function properly. This can lead to muscle cramps, dizziness, and even fainting spells. So remember to hydrate before, during, and especially after your workout. Next, we have skipping cooldowns. Many people bolt from the gym the moment their final set is done, but this can lead to a buildup of lactic acid, which causes muscle soreness and stiffness. A proper cooldown, which includes stretching and slow, controlled movements, helps to gradually reduce your heart rate and prevent this buildup. Trust us, your muscles will thank you later. Then comes the often overlooked post-workout meal. Your body needs fuel to repair and build muscles after an intense workout. If you don't eat within an hour of exercising, your body may start breaking down muscles for energy. This can inhibit muscle growth and recovery. So, a balanced meal with protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats is a must. And last, but not least, ignoring muscle recovery. Overtraining is a real issue and can lead to injuries and burnout. Your muscles need time to heal and grow stronger. So, ignoring recovery days or not getting enough sleep can actually hinder your progress, not speed it up. Balance is key here, folks. To sum it up, these common post-workout mistakes can seem insignificant at first glance. Perhaps you've even been guilty of a few. But remember, it's these seemingly small details that can make a big difference in your fitness journey. Hydrate, cool down, fuel up, and recover. These 4 pillars of post-workout care are crucial to getting the most out of your hard work at the gym. These mistakes might seem trivial, but they can significantly affect your fitness progression. Now that you're aware of the pitfalls, it's time to learn about effective post-workout routines. First off, the importance of hydration cannot be overstated. Your body loses a significant amount of water during exercise through perspiration. So, replenishing those fluids is crucial to prevent dehydration and support overall body function. Aim to drink at least 2 cups of water within half an hour of finishing your workout. Next, let's talk about cooling down. This is a step that many people tend to skip, but it's vital for your recovery. Cooling down helps slow your heart rate and respiration gradually, which prevents blood from pooling in your extremities. A good cool down routine might include some light cardio like walking, followed by stretching. Now, on to nutrition. Consuming protein after your workout is essential for muscle repair and growth. It's recommended that you consume around 20 grams of protein within 2 hours of exercising. This could be through a protein shake, a piece of lean meat, or even a handful of nuts. Lastly, but perhaps most importantly, is ensuring adequate rest. Your muscles need time to recover and grow stronger, so make sure you're getting at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. And remember, rest days are just as important as workout days. Adopting these routines can not only enhance your workout results but also improve your overall fitness. In conclusion, having an effective post-workout routine is as important as the workout itself. It's not just about how much you sweat, but how well you recover. We've outlined common mistakes that can hinder progress, such as skipping your cool down, not stretching, and neglecting hydration and proper nutrition. Remember, these missteps can lead to unnecessary fatigue, injury, and even a setback in your fitness goals. At the same time, we've shared some effective post-workout routines to enhance your recovery and maximize the benefits of your workout. From cooling down with a light jog, stretching those worked muscles, to replenishing your body with the right nutrients, these habits can significantly boost your fitness journey, but the journey doesn't end here. We're all learning and evolving, and your unique experiences can help us all grow. Don't forget to share your own post-workout routines or mistakes in the comments. Remember, your fitness journey is unique, and we're all here to learn and grow together.